Savor the best of Atlanta right at your doorstep. Step into the Savoy, a luxurious mid-rise community in the heart of popular Dunwoody. Just minutes from Perimeter Mall, the Savoy offers an expansive menu of unique apartment homes in elegant style. Choose from a 1, 2, or 3-bedroom floor plans boasting great options such as spacious chef-inspired kitchens, open living areas, built-in desk in select units, elegant baths with garden tubs, walk-in showers in select units, enhanced closet spaces, washer and dryer connections, and private patios and balconies. The Savoy features a profusion of superior amenities ranging from the saltwater resort-style pool and European courtyards to a 24-hour fitness center and plush clubhouse, complete with billiards and Wi-Fi business lounge. Residents of the Savoy can also enjoy the convenience of a covered parking deck. Of course, one of the best perks about living here is the address. Minutes from popular restaurants and nightlife, close to great shopping and recreation, schools, and major employers, the Savoy puts you right where you want to be, in the heart of it all. Luxury within reach and the best of Atlanta right at your feet. Step into the Savoy today.